Want to keep your WhatsApp account extra secure? Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification in WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account. Here, you'll see the two-step verification option. Tap on it. Now tap Enable and enter a 6-digit PIN. After that, confirm your PIN once again. If you see the option to add an email address, you can include it to help recover your account in case you forget your PIN. Once done, tap Save. And that's it. Your two-step verification is now successfully turned on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.